Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the STEM toy, and we'll also show you our progress in building out the robot. The STEM toy can build 12 different robots that can actually move. There are two difficulty levels, so if you have children of different ages, they can all get involved. While I go through the contents of the box, I'll take you through the features and benefits of the STEM toy. As you can see here, there are many pieces included in this toy, a total of 190 plastic pieces and accessories. There's also an instruction manual to guide you through the build process. The best thing I like about this toy is not only does it help with hand dexterity during the building process, but it also is a great way to get your child started on robotics and science. This robot toy, once completed, is mobile, but does not require any batteries as it is solar powered. So your child can learn about mechanics, engineering, solar power, and green technology all at the same time. And here's what we have built so far. You can see we have incorporated wheels on them so they are mobile. And for this one, the solar panel is placed on top to help with the recharging process by exposing it to solar heat energy. The STEM toy has provided a lot of fun for the entire family, and with birthdays and the holidays around the corner, this would make a great gift for any child wanting to get into science and technology.